Okay, here we go. This is version 2 of the control card for the third rail and overhead line flash system. Most of the original boards have now been replaced with surface mount. We've got a couple more components we've got to finalise, and then they'll be changed into surface mount. The variable potentiometer here will eventually go when we know what resistor value we need for the sensitivity level of the photodiode. Okay. But basically, in between the track, we've got a photodiode and a phototransistor. The photodiode will shine up, reflect against the silver tape on the bottom of this forcet, reflects it back down into the phototransistor. That then causes the program on the microcontroller to interrupt and then activate the flash system. Now this system has 4 levels of flash. It's flash all the time, 1 in 2, 1 in 4 and 1 in 8. When set to 1 in 2, 1 in 4, 1 in 2, 1 in 4 and 1 in 8 doesn't mean it will go off every time. What it means is when the program is interrupted, it depends where the program stopped within its count cycle. Okay, so I'm going to switch the device on. It flashes once to indicate what mode it's in. In this case, flash once every time it will go off. As it goes off, it flashes. Obviously, I've got the flash unit in the wrong position here. It needs to be further up the track, but as it goes off every time the train goes over. Now, if I switch it off and now alter this control sets how many times the flash goes off. So now that flashed twice. So now it's 1 in 2. So basically now when the train goes over, it won't go off every time. We switch to one in 8. Now I'll switch the device on and reset. Flashes 8 times. Okay, now it's totally random now. It just depends where the program is interrupted once the sensor goes off over. Yeah, flash there. So that's that, and the idea is to leave this running overnight to soak test it for 24 hours, and then tomorrow, hopefully at some point late tomorrow, I shall run it on, put it onto the layout and just run a couple of my trains round over it and check it out on the layout, powered, connected to the track. As this device has a bridge rectifier here, it means we can connect it to the DCC supply and power it directly from the DCC track. If you want to power it from a DC supply, then you can power it from anything from between 12 to 40 volts DC. But the bridge rectifier will allow you to connect it to an AC supply or even your DCC track supply. Okay, I'll have another video hopefully sometime tomorrow of the train going around the layout. We'll have a little bit of a better effect on it.